So let's talk about grades. There are three different kinds of grades in Spanish class, and they're shown here by these three different colors. There are test grades, which are 45%. There are classwork grades, which are 10%, and there are quiz grades, which are 25%. 45, 10, 25 only add up to 80%. So the other 20% are the midterm and final exams. There is one midterm that's multiple choice for reading and listening and reading, and then there is a speaking midterm and a writing midterm where students produce language. So those together are all 20%. So what I do is before each unit lasts about 3 weeks, and I am a Friday quiz and test person. I go ahead and plug in at the beginning of every unit all of the grades for that unit so that students can also treat their student view gradebook as a calendar, which I think is really handy and students are always really glad to have. So this is an example from January of last year, and I went ahead and plugged in that classwork average. If you've already watched the video on classwork, it's going to be the average of their week's classwork, all of their scores. So I can go ahead and put all of the names of everything that's going to be a grade in the grade book. So they will show up as blank at first until there's a score. So this went in, and then the next day we took the quiz. This is last year. Then the second classwork grade went in the second week of the unit, and then we took the second quiz. So it's about, you can see here, 2 grades per week. 1 classwork and then 1 quiz or test. So this is the first week of the unit, this is the second week of the unit, and this is the third week of the unit. We don't have any more quizzes because we have the test. Students will always know exactly what will be on the quizzes and tests, and pretty much the first quiz will always be reading, the second quiz will always be listening, and the test will always be a combination of reading, writing, speaking, and or listening.